Hi everybody, I hope you are doing well. Today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of not available on Netflix. We go to settings. Here we click on apps, default apps, app settings. In this list we will search about the application of Netflix and we click here. Then we click on first stop and we click OK. Then we'll enter to storage. Here we click on clear cache. Then this page will turn on your airplane mode and you will turn off your airplane mode again to fix the problem. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video and thank you for your watching and your attention.